Petpooja point of sale software. The other product of Petpooja which gets installed in your outlet's device on which your staff can perform all the operational activities. The access to modules and softwares which your staff can use is completely controlled by you via the owner's dashboard. Let us explore Petpooja POS in depth. This software is available in 4 operating systems. The first one being Windows PC, the second one being Mac OS, the third one being Linux, and the fourth one being Android. We'll be exploring the PC version in our video. To download the software, you need to first log on to your owner's dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll find a section displaying Petpooja apps. We'll be selecting our Windows operating system and download the Petpooja POS. The download will begin. Once downloaded, click on the file and the installation process will begin itself. Your firewall or your OS may ask for certain permissions. Kindly provide all the access needed to ease down your installation. Once the application is installed, you'll see a screen like so, where there are 2 modes available for accessing the software: keyboard mode and touch mode. In this video, we'll be only exploring the touch mode. To switch to touch mode, you can click here. There will be a dialog box asking for your sync code. These sync codes are always available inside the settings part of your Petpooja marketplace. You can select the sync code for your particular outlet and paste the same sync code there. Once you enter the sync code, it will ask to create a station for that particular software. We'll be naming it as billing station. There could be more than 1 billing stations or POS software is installed inside your outlet. But inside one outlet, only one master billing station can be there, which will also be used as a local server by all the other softwares. So while you begin installing the software, make sure you know which kind of a server station do you want it to be. Once I click on Setup your terminal, I'll be asked for my login details. If you wanted to set up multiple terminals, there will be a section where you can press the button for accessing help regarding the same. You can log in with your user login details, and there are 3 ways for login also. The first one being username and password, the second one being a passcode, and the third one being a swipe access card which you can configure by contacting our team. We'll be moving forward with the passcode type. Once you enter the passcode, you'll be greeted by your order screen. You can change the default screen settings by going to the settings options. As you can see, this is the menu bar where you can see options for creating a new order. By clicking on Petpooja's logo, you'll be guided back to the new order page. You can access the bill number with the help of this shortcut. The next button is for item on-off. In case you have aggregations possible, on the menu bar, the next button is for item on-off, store status, live view of the orders, online orders, recent orders, hold orders, notifications, aggregator help center, and logout button. For contacting our support, you can click on the CTA and request a call back. On the left hand side, you'll see an icon where there will be 3 horizontal lines. When you click here, the entire side menu will open up. Here, the second settings of operations will contain all the ancillary services for which you've given the access to the staff. This could vary from inventory, outlet settings, menu settings, and so on. These are completely customizable, and videos for the same have been made along with the videos for the icons listed above in depth on our YouTube channel. You can check them out by going on to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/@Petpooja tutorials. After operations, there is one more section for all the reports for which you've given the access to your staff members. They'll be able to see these reports by going here. The next section is for settings. There are different types of setting at the outlet level and the server unit level. These settings can be configured from this section. A detailed video for the same has also been made and uploaded onto our YouTube channel. In case there are any pending updates, the server or the staff member can come here and check for updates. You'll see a tick mark like so if you've installed the latest version. If the staff member wants to log out, they can click here and log out of the POS system. The reference ID, the version of the app, and the biller name will be always displayed in the bottom section of the left-hand side menu. This same application is also available in your mobile device. To install the application on your mobile device, you have to first log on to your marketplace and then go to Petpooja apps section, where inside the Android section, you'll be able to see the Petpooja POS application. You can click on download and download the APK file, or you can copy the URL and send it to your mobile phone and download the app from there. Once the app is installed in your mobile phone, if you put in your sync code, a screen like so will appear, where you need to log in with your user's passcode. Once logged in, you'll see all the sections of your outlet along with the table numbers in such a manner. To begin order taking for any of them, you can just click on them and start order taking. We'll not be exploring the order taking feature completely in depth in this video. To see the order taking feature, you can go to our YouTube channel and check out the videos made for the same. On the top hand side, you'll see a menu bar which has quick billing option, management option. It contains all the additional services for which the user who has logged in has the access. Then there are reports. Limited reports are also visible with the appropriate filters and can be exported in the form of an Excel. Apart from the reports section, the user can log out and check all his existing login details in the bottom end section. To create a new order, you can also click on plus button. The next icon, which has an icon of a globe, is for syncing your Android POS with your server. This ensures that at both the places, the data remains live. For online orders, you can click here and look at all the pending orders, all the orders taken place in that particular day or time, and the advance orders. So this was all about Petpooja, its Android version of POS and its PC version of POS. For details about other operating systems, and if you're facing any difficulty in any of the process, you can contact our support team. Thank you.